Hello everybody, every, and thank you for everyone. Okay, today I will describe about one trouble code. It's for MMT. It's P0715. What is the trouble code? It's trouble code when it's maybe some state when the clutch is sleeping, or when we have some problem with the sensor. How it work? How? Yes. As look, I will show you on this example. This is the 1.4 diesel MMT. This is the engine, if we can call this is the engine. You know, yeah, but this is the engine, okay. And this is the gearbox, MMT, okay. We have one sensor, speed of the engine, this sensor, and also we have the speed sensor, turbine sensor of the gearbox. This the sensor is coming. This is the sensor, and what it is do? Engine is rotate, gearbox rotate, and transmission control module calculate how much this RPM, how much this RPM, and make compare. If it's okay from the program, it say okay. If something wrong and this RPM is different of this ampere RPM, is need, as we have this trouble code. So what it can be the reason? It can be the reason if we install gearbox not fit for the system, or I saw one time that the inside the full gears was removed from another gearbox and installed to MMT. It also was give me this code. That's all. We need to check this sensor, and sometimes the sensor has some dust of steel, and it's also not working good.